No, Kit Kat. No, Kit Kat. It's 6 in the morning. Kit Kat, no. Kit Kat, no. Kit Kat. 不准抓！
What is this?
Bro, what the hell? Dude. You're how old? You're like 3 weeks old. You aren't supposed to be on a run yet. You gotta go back with your brothers and sisters, bro. Yes. You gotta go back. Where's the other 4 of them?
A recent study has found that cats who carry a bit of extra weight live longer than the vets who mention it.
If cats no want kisses on face, why face so kissable? If cats no want to be nommed, why they in the shape of croissant? If cats no want their snoot booped, why snoot so boopable?
Look at the layers. This is a huge burrito. I got you a pet hamster. Be careful. He's your friend. What do you think?
How many times do I have to tell you mind control doesn't work on me? Yeah, I know that's what you were trying to do. Don't pretend. I told you, it doesn't work. Walter, I just told you it doesn't work, okay? Stop it.
What are you doing, making a TikTok? No one wants to see that, Michael. Jesus.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, so he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
Нифига! Вот это ты даешь!
Can you take it outside? Thank you.
Thank you so much! Thank you for being so dumb.
Something wrong with your paw, Susan? Oh. Something wrong with your palsy? No. Oh, it's very sore, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that. And then it's a miracle.
Ice cream? 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Where did you learn to sit like that? Oh.
Be aware that there are two kinds of food. The first is sort of a dehydrated brown niblet. I think they gave us these because they're training us to be astronauts. Just a guess. The second kind is wet food. It is so special they keep it in little armored metal casings that no claw can penetrate. With no claws to speak of, the humans can somehow open them. It's like some dark magic.
Your turn.
Path, you let your cat outside once.
I love you.
You got all the treats.
Type of bitch you don't give a fuck. Falling in love.
Lying around here, watching while she gets on with her life, meeting someone, being happy. Will be devastated.
I'm sorry, I just prefer to have all the information.
Want some treats?
Everybody is kung fu fighting.
I said no.
I'm coming back for you, baby.
Someone once told me that with great cuteness comes no responsibility. And that's the motto I live by.
Bro, can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Alright, it's time to wake up. Alright, I'll give you a minute.
A big one.
You're a what?
Lion.
Oh, you want to be a lion?
Yes.
But what are you right now?
I'm just a baby.
I don't think you understand that you are my therapist. Hello? Are you even listening?
Let's start a new trend. First, I want you to show me your pet, and then I want you to show me what your pet was named after.
I'm laying in the bed right now and I'm just like, you know, maybe I should get out the bed and go do something off the bed. But I realize if I get off the bed, I'm going to be out there doing nothing when I could just be doing nothing in the bed.
Göster ne istiyorsan bana. Göster. Ne istiyorsun? Göster. Ondan mı istiyorsun? Benimle yaşamamı istiyormuş.
I do not fear you, Mother. This device is nothing more than an empty threat. You do not have the heart to dampen me, your favorite son. In fact, I challenge you. I beg of you to prove your worth.
What?
ओ मेरा सोना काका, मेरा गुच्चू मुच्चू, मेरा मिट्ठू मिट्ठू, मेरा चाट मसाला, मेरा
Little buddy, what are you doing?
Who needs a hole puncture when you have a cat? Why, thank you.
I told him, keep his paws off Darlene. He's behind me, isn't he? I can feel his breath. Our entire litter is orange.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat, who the fuck is this?
Alright, he was 3 minutes late to serving me breakfast this morning, and I do believe that is strike number 3, which means death by these claws. Let me see. Last Saturday, he forgot to pick up my poop all day. And then October 11th, he was petting me for a little too long. Stupid, stupid, stupid. That's strike number 3, yes. Normally punishable by death, but he has been doing Tuna Tuesdays. If I killed him, it would just be me and Sharon. I really hate Sharon. She does not do Tuna Tuesdays.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
Hi guys, this is Garfield, and he likes to lay on a Domino's box, and I just keep kicking him off the counter, but he still goes on the goddamn counter. Like, I don't know how to get him off the goddamn counter. Like, look at him. Oh, big yawn.
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.
Show your cat as a baby versus now.
What's in my coffee?
Oh, your whole leg. Ah. Do you see that?
No. Ah! That is rude. That is rude. Stop.
We were practicing our tricks like normal, and then